What is nature? There is a great deal of talk and endeavor to protect nature. The animals, the birds, the whales and dolphins, to clean the polluted rivers, lakes and fields and so on. Nature is a tiger, that extraordinary animal with its energy, its great sense of power. Nature is the solitary tree in the field, the meadows and the grove. It is that squirrel shyly hiding behind a ball. Nature is the ant, the bee and all the living things of the earth. Nature is the river, not a particular river, whether the Ganga, the Thames or the Mississippi. Nature is those mountains, snow-clad, with dark blue valleys and range of hills meeting the sea. The universe is part of nature. One must have a feeling for all these, not destroy it, not kill for one's pleasure or one's table. We do kill cabbages, the vegetables we eat, but one must draw the line somewhere. If you do not eat vegetables, how will you live? So, one must intelligently discern